What's up guys? So today I have another video to make, and just received this parcel from one of the suppliers, and let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside it. So guys, this is the product which I've just received, and it's another product from Comica. If you've not seen my previous video that I made for this company, Comica, they keep on sending me different products. You should go ahead and see that. Very interesting. So this is the CVM-V30 LITE. It's just the same as the Rode microphone, something like that, yeah. So if you guys have seen or worked with or used the Rode microphone, you must be knowing that what sort of quality you can get with the Rode microphone. This is, as I told you, this is a product from Comica, and I've been sort of working with them for some time, and they keep on sending me these different products to make a review. I'm not the best reviewer out there on YouTube, but to be honest, I mean, I've tried their products since beginning and they are very good. So this is the CVM-V30 LITE cardioid microphone. It's the shotgun microphone. I think so. It doesn't have any battery, so it's it can support a smartphone, a camera, and then it's got low soft noise, anti-interference, as it says, excellent shock absorbing, so that should be the shock absorber. Packaging is nice. They've changed the packaging than before. So previously their packaging used to be quite different, and now their packaging is like this, right? So let's go ahead and open it up then. Yep, so that's it. That's the box, and that's the warranty card. Product card. Cool. And of course the user manual. Very handy. If you have time, you can read it. Okay. And this is the microphone. So right now I'm using the Rode Micro with the fluffy, I'll show it to you in a second, with the dead cat on it. So this is the shotgun microphone from Comica. I've tried Comica and I've compared it with Rode, and I think that their quality is pretty good. So I'm gonna switch this with the microphone which I have, and you guys can tell me the difference. I'll just quickly tell you a little bit about the product. Matte finish, really good quality, sponge over here, and it's got this sort of screw which you can tighten it with your camera, a 3.5mm jack for your camera, and the shock suspension. Makes sense? And that should be fine. So just let me go and put it on, and you guys tell me what difference do you feel in the sound quality. So let's go ahead and change it. So I'm going to change it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now I've changed it to the Comica CVM-V30 LITE, and this is the Rode microphone which I have over here. Cool. And it's got the dead cat on it with the 3.5mm jack. Of course I've changed it, and you guys can tell me if you feel any difference in the sound quality. I'm sitting exactly in the same position. The camera is in the same position, so probably the sound quality, if there is any difference, I'm recording it right now. I can't, I don't know, I'm going to see it in post-production, but yeah. So I'm going to talk a little bit about the Comica microphone and what's written over here, and then obviously when I started the video I was using the Rode, and now I'm using the Comica microphone, and then you can tell me, or you can see what the difference is. If you like the product, go ahead and buy it. I'll put the link in the description, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So it says it's got a polar pattern, super cardioid, and it's got frequency range of 40 Hz to 20 kHz. To be honest, I'm not very sure about these frequency patterns, but I know that from between 40 Hz and 20 kHz, that is supposed to be a very good pickup range, and then output impedance is 2.2 kilo ohms, and you've got signal to noise ratio is greater than 68 dB, weight is 52 grams. That's the important thing which you need to know, and the dimensions, of course, 160, 50, 80, 86 millimeters. So guys, this was my quick video for the CVM-V30. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll put a link in the description. As I said, if you have any questions, just ask me, and if you like it, like the product, go ahead and buy it. It would, I mean, help the company, and you know, they're making great products, very cost effective, and good for new YouTubers, upcoming YouTubers, and even the mature ones. It doesn't really matter, because obviously, you know, if you're getting good sound quality, so why would you always want to go for a very expensive product like Rode? So guys, thanks for watching once again, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now.